Welcome to the channel. Excel in Android phone. How to use Microsoft Excel in mobile phone. MS Excel app in Android. The Microsoft Excel mobile app offers a variety of features to help you create, view, and edit spreadsheets on your mobile device. Here are some of the key features of the app. Create and edit spreadsheets. The Excel mobile app allows you to create new spreadsheets from scratch or edit existing ones on your mobile device. You can use the app to add, delete, or modify data, as well as to apply formatting, formulas, and functions. Collaborate in real time. You can share your spreadsheets with others and collaborate in real time using the mobile app. This feature allows you to work on the same document with others and see their changes in real time. Access your spreadsheets from anywhere. You can access your spreadsheets from anywhere using the Excel mobile app. You can connect the app to your cloud storage services such as OneDrive, Dropbox, and Google Drive to access your files on the go. Take a picture and convert it into an Excel file. The app allows you to take a picture of a printed table or graph and convert it into an editable Excel file. This feature is useful if you want to digitize data from a printed document. Add charts and graphs. You can add charts and graphs to your spreadsheets using the mobile app. This feature allows you to visualize your data and make it easier to understand. Use templates. The Excel mobile app includes a range of pre-built templates for different types of spreadsheets, such as budgeting, invoicing, and project management. You can use these templates to get started quickly and customize them as needed. Work offline. The app allows you to work on your spreadsheets offline and then sync your changes when you are back online. This feature is useful if you don't have an internet connection or if you want to save data usage. Overall, the Excel mobile app offers a range of powerful features to help you work on your spreadsheets on the go.